Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's be honest, we all love a good DIY skincare moment. It's cheap, natural, and kind of fun, right? But here's the truth, not everything in your kitchen belongs on your face. Some popular homemade masks can actually do more harm than good. They might mess with your skin's pH, cause breakouts, or even damage your skin barrier. Let's talk about the ones you really should avoid, no matter how viral they are on TikTok.
1. Lemon juice. Just no. Lemon juice is often praised for its vitamin C and brightening effect, but guess what? On your face, it's way too acidic. Your skin's natural pH is around 5.5, slightly acidic. Lemon juice, it has a pH of about 2. That's a huge difference. Putting lemon on your face can burn your skin, cause redness and sensitivity, lead to dark spots, especially when exposed to sunlight. Yes, even if you wash it off. So if you want vitamin C, go for a serum made for your skin. 2. Baking soda. Your skin is not a dirty pan. Some people use baking soda to exfoliate or clean their skin, but baking soda is super alkaline with a pH around 9. This can completely throw off your skin's balance. Short term, it might feel smooth, but long term, you're drying out your skin and breaking down its barrier. That leads to more breakouts, irritation, and dryness. Your face is not a sink. Don't treat it like one. 3. Toothpaste. Definitely not skincare. We've all heard that putting toothpaste on a pimple can help dry it out. But here's the problem. Toothpaste is made for teeth, not skin. It often contains alcohol, menthol, whitening agents, and strong flavors that are super irritating for your face. Sure, it might dry a pimple out overnight, but it'll also dry and burn the healthy skin around it. Just use a proper spot treatment. Your skin deserves better. 4. Raw eggs. Big yikes. Some DIY masks include raw egg whites to tighten skin or shrink pores. And yes, they might give you that firm feeling for a few minutes. But raw eggs can carry bacteria like salmonella. If it gets into your eyes, mouth, or small cuts on your skin, it's risky. Also, raw egg proteins are too large to really benefit your skin anyway. You're not getting much out of it, and the risk isn't worth it. Want firmer skin? Use a clay mask or a lifting serum. 5. Cinnamon. Spice for food, not your face. Some people mix cinnamon with honey as a natural acne treatment. But cinnamon is a strong irritant, especially on sensitive skin. It can cause redness, burning, rashes, and in some cases, allergic reactions. Your skin might feel tingly at first, but that's not magic, it's inflammation. If you want to fight acne naturally, try using plain honey or aloe vera gel instead. 6. Apple cider vinegar. Handle with care. Apple cider vinegar can be great for your salad, but as a toner or mask, you've got to be careful. Undiluted ACV has a very low pH, around 2 to 3. That's too acidic for your face and can damage your skin barrier. If you must use it, always dilute it with water, at least 1:5 ratio, but even then, test on a small area first. There are better, safer ways to exfoliate your skin gently. 7. Sugar scrubs. Too harsh for the face. Sugar may seem like a natural exfoliant, but those tiny crystals are actually rougher than you think. They create small tears in your skin, especially if you scrub hard. This can lead to redness, irritation, more breakouts. Your face needs gentle care, not a harsh scrub. If you love exfoliating, go for chemical exfoliants like lactic acid or mandelic acid. 8. Coconut oil. Maybe for some, but not all. Coconut oil is super popular in DIY skincare. But here's the catch, it's highly comedogenic. That means it can clog your pores, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin. You might end up with more pimples, blackheads, or textured skin. It can work as a body moisturizer or lip balm, but for the face? Think twice. 9. Yogurt and oatmeal. Not always safe. These two are often seen as safe and soothing, and in many cases they can be. But be careful. Yogurt can contain live cultures that irritate sensitive skin. Oatmeal, unless very finely ground, can scratch the skin. Both can cause allergic reactions in rare cases. If you try these, make sure you patch test first, and don't leave them on for too long. Final thoughts. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's safe for your face. Your skin is delicate. It has its own balance, barrier, and needs. Throwing food on it without knowing the pH or possible side effects can actually make your skin worse. Instead of playing kitchen chemist, choose gentle, science-backed skincare products. Your future self will thank you. So, what's one DIY mask you've tried before and would never try again? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more real skincare tips. See you next time.